Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to cash out and withdraw from crypto.com to your personal bank account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently right now you are on the home page where you can see all your favorites for the cryptocurrencies. And from here you're going to simply click on the account section. From here it will show you your total balance that you're going to withdraw to your account. Now, if it is in crypto, then all you have to do is simply click on the crypto section or click on the trade section right here, and then click on the sell crypto button, where you're going to sell whatever cryptocurrency you have in mind directly in the application, or simply click on it, such as Bitcoin, and then from here decide to sell it or not. Once you sell it and you are done with that position, you're going to go back to the home page. And then from here, you're going to go to account section again, and then open your cash wallet. Now, it will ask you to open a Euro account. And once you open a Euro account, all you have to do is to connect your bank account details and your IBAN. And then from there, once it is transferred, it will take 1 day to verify. You can withdraw to your bank account easily. Just make sure that when you sell your cryptocurrency, it is in the correct currency. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.